Well, all right, guys, it's time to announce the winners of the Shredded Money pen blanks. Big thank you to everybody who commented and entered into the giveaway. We got, if you didn't know, we got 2 sets of 3 Shredded Money, and it's British pounds, Shredded Money pen blanks up for grabs, and we're going to be picking and announcing the winners today. So, first things first, I have a couple of, I have one announcement, and I also have some stickers to put up, so we're going to do that real quick. And then we'll draw and announce the winners at the end of the video. All right, so for the announcement, I'm gonna be doing some classes down in Phoenix at Turner's Warehouse in November. I'm really excited. So it's gonna be Sunday, November 10th, over, like I said, at Turner's Warehouse. I'm always excited to do classes down in Phoenix. Chad's shop is awesome. All the people are always awesome. So we got a couple different types of classes that are going on. I'm only gonna be doing classes one day, so there's gonna be kind of limited availability on how many people can get in on it. But I wanted to kind of let you guys know a little bit early, and then we'll have more details coming soon. Chad and I are just kind of finalizing all the details on all the classes, and then he needs to get it up on his website. So when we do announce that, like registration is open, you'll go over to turnerswarehouse.com and you'll sign up for the classes. So the 2 different types of classes we have, we always do a beginner or like resin casting 101 class whenever I'm doing classes. There's always new people kind of getting into the craft and kind of want to get that baseline education. So we're going to do that. That one's going to be in the morning. There's going to be probably about 12 spots available for that class. So somewhat limited, but probably enough for most people, let's say. But just to make sure, you want to get over to Chad's website and get signed up if you're interested before the spots get taken up. But it's a pretty cool class. There's going to be kind of a demonstration style. I kind of go through all the different things that you really need to know, the tools and supplies you need. And then at the end, which I think is probably one of the most important things about these live classes, like going to a class, is Q&A time. So, if you got some questions, if you saw something that you didn't really understand, or if you have specific projects, you can just ask me, and we kind of talk about it with the whole class. So it's a pretty cool thing. I always like doing those. The other things that we're doing are, I'm going to be doing some one-on-one classes. So there's only 2 of these available. So there's going to be 2 in the afternoon. Because I'm only going to be there or available to do classes for one day, and the morning is taken up by the one class. There's only 2 spots available, so if you would like one-on-one instruction, definitely you'll want to get in on that, get over to Chad's website and get signed up very quick. So be keeping your eyes out for that, if that sounds like something you'd be interested in. It's going to be kind of set. We had to kind of limit it to, some specific topics. So when you check out on Chad's website, you'll kind of say, what type of thing, you want to be learning during this one-on-one class. But it's pretty broad, and I think that for the most part, we'll probably get that done. And then, if there's some other stuff that you want to kind of just see or whatever, I'm kind of, I'm available for you. But we need to make sure that the main focus, we have all the supplies and stuff on hand ready for you. So like I said, you'll pick that. The cool thing about the one-on-one classes is the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to kind of do a demo first real quick so you can kind of see the whole thing in action. And then it's like a hands-on class. Like you're going to make the blanks or blanks that you want to make, and you're going to be able to either, take it home. The problem is we're going to probably pressurize these or they need time to kind of set up. So you'll either take it home if it's ready already, or Chad will be sending that home. So it's pretty cool. You get to actually make stuff in the class and then take it home and get that kind of one-on-one instruction. So only 2 spots available for that. So like I said, if you're interested, if that's something that you want to do, make sure that you kind of keep an eye on things. We should be announcing when registration is open for these classes, probably within this week. We just need to finalize some details, and Chad needs to get these up on his website. So pretty cool. I can't wait to see everybody in November down in Phoenix. All right, so the other thing we need to do is we need to put up some stickers on the pressure pot, because I got a lot of them. I always forget to do these at the end of videos, so we're just going to kind of do a little sticker montage. I'll be putting them up on the pressure pots. Thank you to everybody that sent in a sticker. It's always fun, I got a lot of them at this point, and it's really cool. They're all over the pressure pots. So let's get on this sticker montage, then let's draw some winners. Well, all right, guys, it's time to draw some winners. I'm going to head over to the computer. I found a little program thing that will pick some winners based on those keywords in the comments. So let's head over there. We'll do a little bit of kind of screenshottage, and we will pick our 2 winners.
Oh, well, oh, well. Uh-huh. Oh, well, well. Take it. Well, well.
So congratulations to Angela and Joel. How cool is that? Joel was even talking about the classes in his comments. I can't wait to get these things to you guys. I'm going to need to get in contact with you. You're going to have to get me your mailing address somehow. I think that's the biggest drawback to doing giveaways this way. It was super simple for everybody. You know, it's easy to leave a comment, but then I have to figure out how to get a hold of you. So do not put your email address or mailing address in the comments of this video or anywhere else that's a public comment thing. We need to get a hold of each other kind of privately. So if you guys are either on Facebook or Instagram, send me a direct message or a private message. If you're not, or that doesn't work for some reason, then you can head over to my website, www.nvwoodworks.com. Under the About tab in the menu thing, there's a contact form. So worst case scenario, just shoot me an email through my contact form and I will get these blanks out to you. Pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Shredded Money Bowl project. I know I had a blast making it. Big thank you to Mark for hooking me up with the shredded British pounds. Congratulations to the winners, and definitely thank you to everybody that participated. It looked like that system worked pretty well with the code word in the comments and then just using that little kind of program thing. Pretty simple. I guess the only hitch in it is that you know, somehow we got to get a hold of each other, but I think that's pretty easy to do. So be looking for more giveaways down the road. The biggest thing is I got to remember to make blanks or to do that in the videos, but be looking for those down the road. So thank you guys for watching this video, for joining the fun over here. If this is your first time on my channel, we do all kinds of resin casting focused, you know, projects, tips and tricks, and experiments. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that subscribe button so you get notified when new videos and projects and fun happens. And if you're thinking about getting into resin casting, but you're not really sure where to begin, check out my ebook, The Beginner's Guide to Resin Casting. It answers all those beginner questions like what kind of resin should I use and, you know, what do I need to get started? It'll help you get over that initial learning curve so you can get in the shop and start making some blanks and some projects of your own. It's available on my website if you're interested. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching this video and happy casting.